Good morning, students of class 6. Hope you are all staying at home and staying safe. Stay at home. Don't step outside. Okay, so today I welcome you in our this e-learning classes. Today I will just start with this book of grammar, English grammar. You can see this cover page is this one. And the first chapter that we are having is sentences. That what I have written on the board too. So what do you mean by sentence? We know that when a group of words makes a complete sense, it is known as a sentence. Now a sentence, we know that it starts with capital letter and it ends with a punctuation mark. It can be full stop, it can be a question mark, or it can be a mark of exclamation. Apart from this, what we need for a sentence? A sentence must contain a finite verb. A sentence must have a subject and a predicate. Now, if we study from this book, we will find that it is written at first the definition, what I have said, same here. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It contains a verb and a subject. Why they have not written about predicate, I don't know, but you know that when there is a subject, there must be a predicate. Examples, this is a new school, my aunt lives in Chennai, I like to play cricket, I have many friends. Now there are certain rules written here, which we must follow. First rule, if we see, it is written here, subject verb agreement is a must both in number and person. So the verb must agree with the subject. How? Let us study with examples. See, Shana is enjoying. Rest part I am not writing. You can see from your book. And another one I am writing. The students are enjoying. Here also, next part I have written. See here, when the subject is singular, that is Sana, we are using the verb is, which is also singular in nature. But when the subject is the students, at that time we are using the verb which is plural, are. Then when I will be saying about myself, that means I, what I should be writing? I am enjoying. So here see when the I, it is subject, that means when I is the subject, at that time we are using the verb am. So the first rule is like that, which says that a verb, subject, verb agreement is a must both in number and person. When it is first person singular, we are using am. When it is third person singular, we are using is. When it is third person plural, we are using are. And what about second person? You are enjoying. So here you see are. Why the subject is you? Now you know that you, second person, sorry. You, it is used in the second person, both as singular and for plural. Likewise, this verb, it is also used when I am speaking to a single person, you. Then also I will be using are. If when I am just addressing to a mass mind, then also it is singular, not singular actually, second person, you is the subject and the verb is are. We will not change them. There will be no alteration. Second one, a plural verb is required when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by a conjunction. So let us study with the example. When I will say Ram is going to school, it is Ram is singular. That's why I am using is. But if I add another subject with Ram and Ronnie might be. Ronnie is going to school. Is it correct? What do you think? Ram and Ronnie is going to school. Is it correct? No, not at all. Why? Because here two subjects are there which are joined by conjunction and. So the verb will also get changed. So we have to use here are. Ram and Ronnie are going to school. So you can see the examples what are given here in the book. Gauri and Deepak are in the same class. Nina and I are good singers. Now the second one, no, not the second, sorry, third one. A singular verb is used when two nouns or adjectives suggest one idea or refer to the same person or thing. If we take one example from here only. The red and green umbrella is not mine. See here, red and green, two different adjectives we have taken. But we are using here is why? Because this red and green, they are indicating to one thing only, that is umbrella. Now umbrella is having two colors, one is red, another one is green. So here both these adjectives, they are pointing to one noun, or they are used for one noun. That's why we have used here the singular verb. So if we just revise once more the third point, it says a singular verb is used when two nouns or adjectives suggest one idea or refer to the same person. Here these two adjectives, they are referring to this singular noun. So for today I hope it's quite helpful. It will be quite, or it will prove quite helpful for you. We will study this at home. And in my next video, we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.